In this video, we're going to evaluate the expression for the values p being 5, r being -3, and t being 2. So we're going to make substitutions. In place of the p, I'm going to put a 5. So this parentheses now becomes 5. Notice, in place of the p, I put a 5. In place of the r, I'm going to put a -3 minus 4. In place of the t, I'm going to put a 2, making these substitutions here. And 3 times 5. You'll notice I put this one in parentheses. I want to make sure that when I type it into my graphing calculator that I do get the correct answer. Those parentheses are going to help me do that. So let us switch over to the Desmos graphing calculator. I'll be sure to link it below in the description. That way, if you do not have it bookmarked, that you can go ahead and bookmark it, as it is one you will be using on STAAR. All right, let's go ahead and type in the expression just as we wrote it. I'm using all the parentheses that I wrote down. And friends, just like that, I get my answer very nicely. So I get -20. Let's encourage students to write it out first and then go type it in your calculator. It's going to help you make sure that you've got every number in the right spot and you've got all the appropriate parentheses that you need.